So I just wanted to do a quick show off of my 3D prints that I've designed for the XL Boss frame by Team Neugen. Um, so let's see here. So first of all, I've got my shark fin right here. Got my shark fin right here for the top. I've got my little mount for my micro camera. I also got my arm guards here for it. I just took from the floss and just added some material to it and adjusted a little bit to where it would fit on these arms. And then of course in the back I've got my stubby axis antenna, the one that actually screws in. Here. And then I've also got my wire guards here for my arms here for my blades. So this, alright, here is my actual Run Cam 2 mount here for the top of the XL frame. And then also I've got my my UFL axis antenna connector for the back here. Yeah, and that will do it for the majority of the 3D prints that I've designed for this particular frame. Well, all the 3D prints have been taken from other models. Sometimes 2 or 3 different models where there's parts that I like and I just combine them together in Tinkercad. Thanks for watching. The link to these items will be in the description below to my Thingiverse page, and all of them will be there located there. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.
Make the ground shake.